Hey everybody, I hope you're having a good day. Before we do anything, I want you to see my hair loss, okay? See, very fine hair, very fine. And then of course you'll see the back. It doesn't bother me. If I didn't have helper hair, it would, but I do. So let me tell you about this topper before I put it on. This topper right here, it has 4 clips, and this is called a closed lace topper. And the size is 8.5 by 9. It's called Breeze, and it's 16 inches, low density. This is her, and she's beautiful. The color is dusty ash brown. Put my hair in a ponytail because I use a top grip. Because like I said, it's 8.5 by 9, and my hair loss goes that far back, probably 8 inches. So it covers so well. And that's important because a lot of people will get a very small topper and they've got hair loss that goes all the way in the back, and you make a mistake by doing that, because if you were out in the wind and your hair blew, you would see your hair loss. It defeats the purpose. So we're going to put this on and always pull it back some so I can clip in the top. Okay, then I take my topper and just easily flip it over. Okay, then you get to the hairline, exactly, and open your clips, and all you're doing is scooping hair. Okay, and I want you to see why I love this topper the best. It lays flat. Out of all my toppers, I don't have to have anything to help it lay flat. It lays flat. I love that. My favorite one, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna put these 2 clips in back here. Now you see what it looks like, and this is without my hair mixed with it. Now I'm gonna show you, this would go with a blonde hair person, and notice the money pieces in the front, the platinum blonde money pieces. Is that not beautiful? So I'm going to take my hair out of this ponytail, and then I'm going to brush my hair, hold this topper down. I'm brushing my hair with the topper to mix it together. And you know, you can get this style too, like once you get it and it's yours, you can get it styled the way you like it cut. But I like the way it's cut. I probably will add a little bit more layers, and get a blow dryer. That will help so much. There we go. See, I like that. Isn't that pretty? And then, you know, this is real hair. You can spray it. And let me tell you something else about toppers and about wigs. When you wash them, so you shampoo your hair, and when you use conditioner, do your best to leave it away from the lace, because the lace is the most fragile part of your topper or your wig. So anyway, but there she is. She is gorgeous. I want you to look at her all the way around. Very light, only 120% density, 16 inches. And the color again is dusty ash brown. All right, thank you for watching, and y'all go get you one.